The 4000 PSI Electric Pressure Washer offers robust cleaning power with a 650-watt motor, making it perfect for tackling tough dirt and grime on vehicles, driveways, patios, and more. With 5 quick connect spray tips, including a soap option, this pressure washer provides versatility for a range of cleaning tasks, from delicate surfaces to stubborn stains. The Total Stop System feature is a great energy-saving addition, as it automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, extending the life of the pump. Connecting the high-pressure hose to both the machine and the trigger gun is a breeze, thanks to the Quick Connect system, and all accessories can be neatly stored on the machine itself. The 20-foot high-pressure hose provides ample reach for various cleaning needs, and the wheeled upright trolley design ensures easy and quick mobility. Assembly of the pressure washer is straightforward, allowing users to get started on their cleaning tasks without hassle.